I have a function, f of t. And that's equal to q sub 0 times a raised to the t power. And then this guy is equal to q sub 0 times 1 plus r raised to the t power. So these guys are same. I got to find the base a when some condition exists. Well, what's that condition? Well, it's more like examples rather than a condition. Well, examples are a condition in this case. F of 5 is equal to 75.94. And then they say f of 7 is equal to 170.86. And given this information, somehow they figure I should be able to figure out this guy over here. How am I going to do that? Let's do some thinking. Well, what do we got so far? Well, look over here at this part. Way up here at the top. This is sort of important, right here. These guys right here. They said f of t, and here we have an f of 5. F of t is equal to q sub 0 times a raised to the t power. All right? So I could write f of 5 is also equal to this q sub 0 times a to the t power, right? I could do that. All right. Well, then that's what I'm going to do. It follows also that f of 7 is also equal to q sub 0 times a to the t power, correct? And f of 7 is equal to what? 170.86. And this guy is equal to 75.94. Yes? Now, what if I did something really funny now? What if I said f of 7 is to f of 5 as q sub 0 at is to q sub 0 at? Well, that makes sense. That's true. Well, it's just that this particular q sub 0 a to the t power equals 170.86, while this q sub 0 a to the t power equals this guy. But it still looks confusing because they're the same thing. Well, it's because I didn't replace the t's. I should have done this. F of t is equal to this. I should have replaced this t with a what? With a 7, right? That's common sense. I should have done that. I should know better. Well, let's do that. And this guy should be replaced with a 5, right? All right. What can we... Oh, well, if I'm dividing these guys, showing a ratio, I should do the same here. All right, so f of 7 is to f of 5 is q sub 0 a to the 7th is to q sub 0 a to the 5th. That makes sense, as 170.86 is to 75.94. Uh-oh, look what I see. Surprise, surprise, surprise. Same here. I can annihilate these guys. They're same. 5 over 5 is 1. 3 over 3 is 1. 1 times something is whatever that something is. So now I've reduced this to this. Oh, I see something else. What is a to the 7th over a to the 5th? I can rewrite a to the 7 over a to the 5 as a to the 7 minus 5. Bring him down here. right? I can do that. Oh, wait a minute, can I consolidate that? What's 7 minus 5? Well, that's 2. So a squared is equal to 170.86 over 75.94. Well, what's that equal to? Time to get out the old calculator. Well, let's figure this out. It's 170.86 divided by 75.94, and that equals 2.2499. We could turn that into 2.25 without any problem. So this is a 2.25. 2.25 is a squared. Then a should be equal to the square root of 2.25. What's the square root of 2.25? Oh, I know it's 1 something. All right, let's try and figure that one out. 2.25, then I click on this guy here, boink, raised to the what power? To the 1/2 power, or 0.5 power. Boink, and I get 1.5. So 1.5 times 1.5 is equal to 2.25. So a is equal to 1. What was that answer? 1.5. I knew that. I was just testing you, that's all. So the base is equal to 1.5. What do you know? So we found the base, A, that's equal to 1.5. But now they went and did something really nasty. They went and asked me this tough question, which it stumped me for a little while. It was, what's the growth rate? Well, I know what. I know that A is equal to 1.5. I also know what else? That this guy, q sub 0 times a to the t power, is equal to q sub 0 times, in parentheses, 1 plus r for rate, raised to the t power. Now, what if I divide both sides by q sub 0? What do I get? I get rid of these guys, the q sub 0 guys, right? What am I left with? A to the t power equals 1 plus r to the t power. That's gotta mean, beyond a shadow of a doubt, there's no doubt about it, that A has got to be equal to 1 plus r. A is equal to 1.5. 1.5 is equal to 1 plus r. Minus 1. Minus 1, what do we got? 0.5. 0.5 is equal to, this is canceled out, to r. There's our rate. It's equal to 50%. That's our growth rate, 50%. What do you know? Okay, that's it for problem 18. Let's go on to problem 19. I'll do that in the next video. So long for now.